விழாப்ப எனக்கு ரொம்ப கவலையா இருக்குடா. How are you all guys? Hey, Rihanch, I really appreciate you trying to come up to this class. That it's okay. That do it after the class. It's really good to know. Okay. Mm, I really want you guys to pick and choose some. The thing is, okay, we have one more class, right? Okay. The thing is, I really want to understand what is that you're wanting. Let's see. Let's see. Each of you can write down at least 2 topics, 2 or 3 topics. Okay, let's see.
What do you mean by that?
Wait. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to go over one by one. Don't worry at all. Okay. See, note down. I'll show you. Wait. Okay. I'm sharing a screen on the board with you guys. You see, is it big or small? Too small? Is it big enough to read?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is. Okay. Okay. You know what? I want you to go ahead and read this one. Okay. Each of you, right? You can note down and tell me the numbers. Meaning, if you don't know what I'm reading, you can write 6.2. A, 6.2 B, 6.2 C, 6.2 D. Suppose if I'm reading, recognize that dividing a rational number and multiplying by its reciprocal are equivalent. If I read it out and you don't know that, you know what you're going to write? 6.3a you'll write down. Multiply and divide positive rational numbers fluently. If you don't know what is that, then you write 6.3e. Make sense? Make sense, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Particularly, let me tell you what is my expectation for whom. Okay. I really want this input from Charan, Dutt, Ekata. Akshat, are you going to India this summer, right?
Yeah, but if we can, I will try to do CB test.
Then I want input from you.
Okay.
Charan, Dutt, Akshat, Ekata, Neil, Rihansh, Saket, Tanishka, Varnika, Yana. Yeah, everybody here. See, the class got really filtered out. Dutt and Charan, did your mom get any? Hey, good job, boys. I was so impressed. Were you happy?
Oh, if I don't map
Yeah.
yeah.
I was honestly, amazingly happy. Where is Charan? I didn't see him. Were you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. But let's wait for your ISD to reply. I don't know what they'll do, but whatever it is, I want your inputs. Okay, it's like throwing stones in the air, right? We don't know whether it's going to hit us or hit the ground. So let's see. Meaning, okay, no. Yeah. Tanishka, good job, ma. Good job. Good to know that. Okay, guys. No. I'll go ahead and read it out to you. I'll tell you what it is. Okay. The simple exercise we'll do for 5 minutes. Okay. So that based on that, I really want to target what you guys need. Okay. 6.2a class. That's why I separated out the class nicely. Classify whole numbers, integers, rational numbers using a visual representation such as Venn diagram. I don't know how many of you know this, but I don't mind explaining if you want to. You remember small circle, then big circle, then bigger circle. Do you guys remember that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know whether Rehan see you the thing don't have to coincide with the others. You see, each of you can have different things. Remember, then real numbers, rational numbers, and then irrational numbers, and then this is the real number system. We'll conclude. Remember, that is this. Okay, identify 6.2a. 6.2b, identify a number, its opposite, an absolute value. If you know how to use this, it's great. Locate a number, order the integers on the number line. If I give you -1, -6, -9, okay, 2.5, and then if I give you, so do you know how to order this from least to greatest? Rehanj, do you know?
Yes.
Yes.
D.
So what is the first number? Least to greatest means what is the first number? Shout out.
Smallest.
Yeah. Tell me which is the smallest? -1, -6, -9, 2.5.
-9.
Yes. So good job. Okay. So you know that. Okay. Now look. Okay. Then I am on 6.2d. Order a set of rational numbers arising from mathematical real world context. Okay. The temperature here was 23 degrees centigrade. Okay. This was in New Hampshire. The temperature in Texas was 22 degrees centigrade. Okay. And then the temperature in Canada was 3 degrees centigrade, 3 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now Antarctica was -5 degrees centigrade.
Can't see
And I can say yes, ma.
I can't see a part of your writing.
Yeah,
Okay.
me too.
Don't know what is going on, guys. 1 minute, wait. I'm glad you're saying that. You're seeing full right, full thing?
Yeah, now I can see it.
Yeah. Good. Okay. So let's say if they give you minus what is okay. So -5 degrees centigrade, -22 degrees centigrade, -23 degrees centigrade. So this was in Antarctica. This was in Arctic. This was in Canada. What is the difference between Canada and Antarctica temperatures? What is the difference between Canada and Antarctica temperatures? Shout out, guys. It's okay. We are just discussing.
-17.
So you will do -23 minus -5 -23 plus 5, 17, -17. Yep. Okay. So those are
Wait, what? How is it -17?
Yeah, you said -20
-17?
-5.
What do you
18, 18.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. So like that. And then classify whole numbers, integers, rational numbers using visual representation and Venn diagram. If I tell you integers is the circle, if I tell you integers is that circle, and then what is this circle? Can I call it as no, I can't do that. Okay, wait. Okay, let's do this one. Whole numbers and rational numbers. Okay, if I call this as whole numbers, this as rational numbers, right? Can you tell me what comes inside this circle? Or wait. Integers. let me redraw this. This one is, let me call it as integers. Okay. And then I have rational numbers. Okay. Now this is irrational numbers. Let me draw a separate circle. 1 by 17 belongs where? 1 by 17 belongs where? Where? Which circle will it belong? Each circle has a name, right?
Rational.
Good job. 1 by 17 belongs to the rational circle. Here, this space. Minus 5 will belong to which part?
Integers.
Minus 5 should go inside this. So if you don't know this, you will have to note down, please, here, 6.2. Identify a number, its opposite absolute value, locate order, order a set of rational numbers. Rational numbers means fraction decimal ordering. And then, like, see, if you divide A divided by B, right? This is equivalent to A by B. You can write this out as A times 1 by B. Correct?
Yeah.
So, and then, okay, then 6.3b says, suppose if I multiply half times 3 by 4, what happens to half? Will the value reduce or increase? Yana. Half, I multiply it with 3 by 4. Will the value reduce or increase?
Reduce.
The value will reduce. Why?
Because 1 by 2 is less than 1.
No. The
A whole
reason
number,
is
whole number.
completely not okay.
A whole number.
Which one?
Like 1 by 2 is less than.
There is a number. There is a number 2. Okay. If I multiply it by 5 by 4, what happens to it? Will the value reduce or increase?
Who's answering? Who's answering?
Anybody.
Oh, it'll increase.
Increase.
What do you think, Rihansh?
Increase.
Why?
Because if it's because 2 times 5 by 4 is 10 over 4.
Correct. Okay, good. You
10 over
calculated
4,
and found
yeah.
out it is increasing. Correct. Okay, this is 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So it increased. But why did it increase? The number with which you multiply, if it is greater than 1, it will increase. If it is less than 1, a fraction means the value of the number will decrease. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So let me move on a little faster, guys. Otherwise, I cannot finish. Extend representations of division. Fraction division is 6.2e. And then 6.3a is multiplication, division of fractions and decimals. 6.3b is, I told you, right? Quantity increases, decreases. Nevan, are you noting down? 6.3c
Yes.
is integer operation using concrete model, using chip model. Or I can show you a number line. See, I have a number line. Now, how do you represent minus 4 plus 3 on a number line? Do you know how to represent it on a number line or a chip model? Red and yellow chips we'll use. And then add, subtract, multiply integers, multiply and divide rational numbers. Rational numbers means fraction decimals. Integers, whole numbers. And then you all, okay, if you don't know about additive multiplicative relationship, you need to note down that. And then ratio rates, we have solved a lot of problems, but I do see a lot of gaps on that ratio and rates for 6.4b. And then multiplicative comparisons, this is proportions, two ratios being equal. Okay, now rates as a comparison. See here, rates as proportions, rates of different things as proportions. Okay, now ratios and percents comes into picture, and then 6.4F is using benchmark fractions 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Use all this to understand whether 5 by 4 is greater than 1 or not. Yes, it is greater than 4 by 4. So it is greater than 1. So those are benchmark fractions, benchmark percentages. Suppose 10% is 5. What is 50%? You just multiply by 5. 10% of a number is 5. What is 50% of the number? 25. So it's like a proportion, right? So that is what? Wait. Yeah, that is benchmark fractions and percentages. Okay, which is 6.4F. Now, this you all know, equivalent fraction of fraction, decimals, and percents. Then you have unit conversions, all unit conversions. What? Customary and then metric. Okay, for what are the measurement conversions you have learned? Capacity, length, and weight, everything. Okay, then this one, you know, percentage problems, 3 types. I have over and over covered it with you guys. But if you don't know, still you can write it down. Okay, then again, fraction, decimal, percentages for 6.5C. And then you have tables, graphs, and equation. How do you connect them? If I give you y equal to 5x plus 2, what is the table I can draw for x and y values? How will you draw this into a graph in a coordinate plane? Connecting all this is so important, and this is which one? Which one? This one. 6.6C. Okay. Now let me go ahead a little bit quickly, guys. Now determine if two expressions are equal. Suppose if I say, hey, I'm giving you the expression, this one, 4 times x plus 2. Is that equal to 4x plus 8? So those sort of questions. And then sum of the angles of a triangle. Okay, if this is the largest angle, which is the largest side?
The
Okay.
one directly below it.
The
Yeah, if I
opposite.
give you 4, 5, 6, will it form a triangle? 3 sides of a triangle are given. You have to find whether it will form a triangle. Triangle inequality should be used. And then 6.8 is all about geometry. I'm going to skip like that. Geometry, areas of trapezoids, parallelograms. 6.8, A, B, C, D. Okay, then 6.9 fully concentrates on one variable, one step equations and inequalities. 6.10 is completely inequalities. 6.10 is inequalities, word problems. 6.11 is about the coordinate plane. If I give you -1, 2, you have to find out which quadrant it belongs to. 6.12, let's see, 6.12 what it is, that is statistics. 6.12 fully statistics, meaning you should know about center, spread, shape of data, skew, distribution, mean, median, mode, stem and leaf plot, dot plot, histogram, box plots. And then mainly you should know a lot about box and whisker plots. Okay, 6.12 is all about IQR, frequency table, percentage bar graph, line graph. Okay, and 6.13 is understanding those graphs and answering questions. 6.14 is financial literacy fully. Now, do you have your numbers? Do you have picked out, have you picked out what topics that you don't know?
Do I type it in the chat?
Yes, please. I will note down whatever you send it to me in the chat. Can you do that? Each
Wait,
of you.
what was 6.13?
6.13 is, see, you will be given the graphs. Okay. From there, you have to interpret the graph in the sense, oh, from the graph, can you tell me what is the median? What is the IQR? Is the graph skewed? Is the graph clustered? All these questions belong there. Do you get what I mean?
What was it in before geometry?
Before geometry, let me see. Which one? You have to tell the numbers for me.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out so I know.
Oh, okay, I can help you. 6.7 or 7? You have to use commutative, associative, distributive properties within expressions.
Okay, no, that's not good.
Okay, guys, but I want everybody's answer, please.
Could you scroll to the?
Yes, you can do anything.
Could you scroll to the bottom of the, like the final
You
ones?
want me to scroll to the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Or I'll share it with you in Google Classroom. You can update me before next class. Can I do that as an assignment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. But for today, okay, what is that immediately you don't know, ma? Kanishka. I want each of you to tell one, meaning send it in chat, guys, quickly, please.
Okay, I said
Please
mine.
send it in chat. I'm going to put it down in the Google Classroom. Each of you are going to indicate what you don't know. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. A comment. That's an assignment. Okay. Comment the topics or benchmarks that you don't know. This is an assignment. Okay. You have to comment in this itself. You got it? I really want to target that for you guys. So now in comments, you're going to send what you don't know, anyone. Oh, Yana, all the best, ma. 12, 6, 7, Varnik, task. Abba. 1, 7. Oh, 7C, why? And everybody has written 7. What is that? 7C, 12C, 7C, 6C, 12C, 7C, 6C, 12C, 7C, 6C.
Can you put the link in the
I
chat?
did. I did in the Google Classroom.
Oh.
8 as well, huh?
Which one?
6.4, some of you don't know.
Where's Google?
Okay, I get it. I hear you. Kiara, okay, 6.12, 6.14, 6.C and 6.14 HCHA. What is that? Oh, 6.14 H, you won't get anything, Rehansh. Okay. 12, under the
Is it in the Tuesday Google Classroom? Because I only have the Friday one.
Oh, please, good job. I'm glad you asked me. Tuesday, please comment, ma. Very good, Rihansh. Very proactive. Yeah, you have to comment in Tuesday classroom, okay?
I don't have it.
I'm going to send it to you right away. Okay, let's do one of whichever is common. Rihansh, I sent it to you. Did you see that?
Can you send the Google Classroom to me too? Because I can't find it on my computer.
Akshat, you really?
Yeah, because I can't find it on my
Okay,
computer.
okay, no problem. I'll send. What
It-
big? Did you guys see?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, I have some topics, nice topics to be discussed. Let's go. Let's move on. Okay, Rihansh, were you there when geometry was discussed? Neil, did you send me the topics? Neil?
Yeah, I'm sending it. Oh, wait, the topic says in the spreadsheet.
Neil, I asked you to note down the numbers, right, Neil?
Oh, I'm gonna.
What? Did you send it to me?
I'm sending it now.
Okay. Okay, Dutt and Charan, did you both send?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dutt and Charan 6. Oh, 6.14. Together you're saying 6.14. That's hard on me, guys. 6.12. Did you read through the financial literacy? 6.12.
I think I might have skimmed it. I don't exactly remember it though.
Let's see.
Like the loans and stuff.
Okay, let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, I want you to get a grasp on expressions as well. Expressions are, see guys, here. I'll go through at least 2-3 topics, okay? Expressions are like, if I give you 3 plus 2, this is a numeric expression. Why is it a numeric expression? It has plus, minus, multiplication, division, some operation with numbers. Suppose if I have, what type is this? This is also an expression, but what type of expression is this?
Algebra.
Algebraic?
Algebraic.
What type of algebraic expression? Good job. Okay. Now, if I ask you, are these two expressions equivalent? Are these two expressions equivalent? Okay, so this is an expression, this is an expression. You have to see whether they are equal. Okay, having said this, right, I'm going to give you this. You should use PEMDAS. Okay, let me see how good are you all doing this particular topic. Okay, this one is, let me tell you what is that. This is 6.7c. 6.14, I'm not going to discuss Charan and that, okay? But I'll deal with it if needed for you guys. See, Charan and that, did you go over the financial literacy assignment that I posted in the Google Classroom?
I don't remember.
Huh?
I don't remember.
Yeah. Then, yeah, do this one. This will tell me a lot about whether you know PEMDAS or not. We can convert this into 5 problems. What is the value of F? What is the value of G? What is the value of H? What is the value of J? What is the value of the question? Expression in the question. Guys, okay, let me ask you guys, can you send me the value of the expression? Meaning, what is the value of the expression? Please, please, please don't answer like this. What is the value of this expression? What is the value of F? What is the value of G, H, J? There are 5 questions you're going to answer. Okay, question, the expression's value. F, the expression's value. G, it has to be numbers. H, J. Each one will send me 5 different answers. Good job, Charan. That's correct for the question. But FGHJ, please send everything together. I will wait. You have to follow PEMDAS without fail. Oh, this is nice, Neil. Neil, how did you find out the value of the expression?
I did 2 to the power of 3,
Ah,
which was which was 8.
not 6.
So then I did plus 4,
Mm-hmm.
which was 12. and
Minus
then I
7
did-
is 5.
Yeah, and then I did that to the power of 2, which was, what was it?
See,
That
Neil,
was
your
11.
answer is incorrect, but you're telling it correctly. Can you please check and resend to me? You can reply to that. Okay, Neil, F is correct. That F is correct. F is correct, Akshat. G.
Did I get all of them right? Correct.
4.5.
But I'm confused. So are they all?
Wait, I'm checking one by one. Okay.
Oh.
See, 5 questions, right? So
Oh.
QFG is correct, ma. Akshat.
Okay.
Ha. Neil, G is incorrect. The original question is incorrect.
I'm working on the original.
That Q and G are incorrect. That is correct, Saket. A, F, G are correct. H is correct, Charan. H is correct, that. Aha, H is incorrect, Neil. H is correct, Akshat.
Wait, which of my answers are wrong?
What, Akshat, you got everything correct.
Wait, which
Ah, okay, Neil, your incorrect ones are the original question, then G and H.
wait, which of my answers are wrong?
Yeah. I'll tell. Sorry, 1 minute, wait.
Are these my G and H correct?
Ma, please, one by one, okay? First, let me answer that and Charan. 12.5, 4 points. That Q is incorrect, G is incorrect. Okay, rest of it is correct. You got it?
Yeah.
Charan, J is incorrect. G is incorrect. H is correct. F is incorrect. Yes, Saket, everything is correct. Kiara and Varnika, how are you doing?
I resent the answers
Yes,
that
I
were
saw.
wrong.
Yes, original is correct. G is correct.
I have a question.
What, ma?
I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
What are like the circles and the letters for? Because I missed that part.
You have to evaluate, ma. Find out the value of the expressions. There are 5 questions on the board. One is the original question, then F, G, H, J. These, each one is a question. Am I making sense?
So you want me to solve all of them and tell you the answer?
Yes. What are the values of the expression?
Okay, thank you.
Rihanj, did you get it?
Yes, I'm solving for J.
Okay, I'll wait. So I'm not going to ask you too much, only this. So 5 questions are more than enough for this topic, I feel.
My G is right for me.
G. Yeah.
Whenever I
Correct.
check this.
Charan, yeah, that's the correct. Charan, F is correct. Yeah, as
Like-
long as you guys understand, I'm fine, guys. So basically, which one you want me to explain? Varnika, which one do you want me to explain?
The G is right whenever I check
The
it.
original one, because I got like something negative.
Which one, for which one you got something negative?
Like the original one.
Original one, I'll do. 4 times 3 minus 3 by 2. 12 minus 3 by 2. 9 by 2, which is 4.5. I did G here. Okay. Kiara, did that clarify your question? Original question Varnika is asking, I'm going to do that. Rihansh, I'm eagerly waiting for your answer. 2 cube plus 4 minus 7, the whole square divided by 2. 2 cube is what? 2 times 2 times 2. 8 plus 4 minus 7 by 2, the whole square. This, only the numerator square. So 12, 12 minus 7 is 5 square by 2, which is 25 by 2, which is 12.5. Varnika, did you get it?
Hey, Con, can you do it I kind of didn't get the part where you solved after you did 8 plus 4 minus 7.
Yeah, ma. 8 plus 4 minus 7 is what?
It's so 8 plus 4 is 12 and minus 7 is so I did 7 by the square root of 2. I got
There
49.
is no square root of 2.
12.
Only 2.
Was the 2 doing
This
next
is the exponent. This is 5. 5 square is 5 times 5. Does it make sense, ma?
I
Okay.
get it. I just
Rihan,
messed
did
up
you
because
send
I
your
thought
answer?
there was a square root, with 7. That's how I messed up.
Oh, but as long as did you understand? Did you send your answers, Rihan? Tanishka, what are you doing, ma?
Done with J.
I didn't know how to solve the 2 and 3.
You should have told me, right? Tell me the letters. Tanishka, no video. That's not okay for me. Which one? Which one do you not know to solve?
No, I don't know the 2 and 3 like the
Ma, there are letters clearly given. There is no 2 and 3 in here. There are letters, right? F, G, H, J. Which one?
No, I don't know how to solve this.
Oh, okay. The original question I showed, right, just now. What is 2 cube? What is 2 cube? Oh, you don't know that. Okay, no problem. 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2. Repeat the base exponent number of times. You got it? 2 power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 square is 2 times 2. 4 power of 3 is the base is repeated exponent number of times and multiplied. So this is 8 plus 4 minus 7 the whole square divided by 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 square is 5 times 5, which is a 25, divided by 2, which is 12.5. Can I move on, guys? Rihansh, what is going on with you?
I can't solve J.
You can't solve J. Okay, that's good to know. So 5 plus 7 divided by 2 plus 4 the whole cube. 5 plus 7 is what? Whatever is inside the parentheses are very important people to be attended to. Whatever is inside the parentheses, you have to solve them correctly. So that is the first one to solve. Okay. Don't worry about the 4.5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Denominator is 6. So that becomes so easy, guys. Why? Because what is 12 by 6, Rihansh?
2.
2. 2 cube is what?
8.
Yup. 8 plus 4.5 is 12.5. Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah. At first I thought that was 4 times 5. That's why.
4 times. Oh, no. Okay. See, guys, there is a big difference. 4, the dot is lying on the lower line of the line, right? Here. That means it is a decimal. Okay. When it is multiplication, they would have given it up. You got it? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and do this one. I want one more question to be solved by all of you. Can I give you that?
Yes.
Um, Okay, how about those? Okay, can you evaluate this expression? Evaluate meaning you cannot evaluate. Okay, simplify this expression. Simplify this expression. If you want, I can rewrite it. Simplify this expression means Rihansh, everything is right. Good job, thanks. Okay, 2x plus Akshat, you can solve this and see. 3, see, it's lower, it's a decimal point, okay? 2.4 minus 1.2 plus 1.5x. Only x's can be combined together. Numbers should be combined together.
I have one small question. So is the 24 supposed to have a decimal in it? Just in case.
What, ma?
Oh wait. Never mind. I was looking at the question. My question got answered, actually. Never mind.
Okay. Can I help you? Who needs help? Who's able to do? It's okay to ask for help, guys. Amma, Neil, see, Neil, why, how can you combine everything? Is there any?
Oh, I see.
See, this is called a term. Whatever is separated by pluses and minuses are called terms. This is a term. This is a term. Okay. Now you cannot add something like x and a 2. They have to separately stand by themselves. If I have a 4, I can combine the numbers. Have you heard of birds of a feather flock together? Only 4 and 2 can be combined. And if I have another x, I can combine it with the x. So my final expression will have some x's and a number. You got it, Neil?
Is mine correct?
Correct, Rihansh. Yana, how did you get 511 by 12, Yana? Yana?
Did I explain it?
Yeah, please.
So first of all, what I did was I
Hmm.
did 2x plus 1.5x, which gave
Correct.
me 3.5x.
Correct.
Then I did 3.5x plus
No, where is
3
3.5x? 3.5x, I brought it down. What else?
plus 3.6, which gave me 7.1.
No, you can't do that, right, Yana? You
X.
need to solve this expression by itself first. And then go with the others. So 3.6 divided by the subtraction. What is the subtracted value? 1.2.
2.
What is 3.6 plus divide by 1.2?
0.3.
Huh? It is 3 now.
3.
3.6 divided by 1.2 is multiply by 10, multiply by 10, remove the decimal, it becomes 36 by 12, which is 3. So guys, answer for this is 3.5x plus 3. That is a simplified form. Okay, one more question. How about this? This is a tricky one. One second, guys. Neil, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How about this? Oh my gosh. Go ahead and do this one. You want me to rewrite the problem? We are working on expressions, numeric expressions, algebraic expressions. So 7 times 1.5x minus x plus 3 square by 7 minus 2 square. You cannot see when something is a fraction, you'll have to first simplify that. That, how did you get that? Okay, I'm lost. That has logged off too. Okay, I'm going to wait for you guys to let me know. Akshat, that is not simplified, Akshat. I told you, right? Birds of a feather flock together.
I don't know what to do for the rest of it. That's
Why you don't know what to do? Think about it. Look at the expression again, what you have done.
Oh.
See, actually, you don't need inputs at all. Only thing is you'll have to think. You got it, right?
I see what I did.
I know, yeah. Can you fix it and send it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if you subtract x from x, would you remove the x?
Good question. Amma, Yana, Rihansh. How guys, see, Yana and Rihansh, this term, right? This is an entire term. This is one full term. Here, it has x in it. This only has a number to it. So you can, the answer to this can never be a single answer. You see what I mean? First of all, what is the first thing? PEMDAS, right? Parenthesis. So what is 1.5 x minus x? Who can tell me?
1.5.
0.5.
See, this is x means it's like 1x. So from 1.5, you're subtracting 1. 1.5 charan minus 1 charan. How many charans?
So it's 0.5x.
Yeah, did you understand, Tanishka? Yeah, so that is 0.5x. From 1 Priya, you're subtracting the 1.5 Priya, you're subtracting 1 Priya. Do you get it?
So it would be 0.5 Priya.
Exactly. So 7 times 0.5 Priya. You got it? And then, how is this? Who's going to evaluate this and tell me?
Well, 3 times 3 is, 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so 7 minus 4 is 3.
Good.
Which is equal to 3.
So what is 7 times 0.5x?
3.5.
It's okay, that. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, 3.5x. Very nice if you could tell me the reason. 3.5x plus 3. You guys got it?
Isn't that the same answer as the one before?
Yes. Actually, they were two different questions.
Oh.
They are two different questions actually. The actual question is, are these algebraic expressions the same? You
Oh,
got it? Akshat, did you get the question?
got it.
Oh my gosh, what is going on, guys? Okay, now, I don't want to go so hard on you, but okay, last one, guys. Okay, all using PEMDAS. Okay, do you remember? Try this one. I can help you, but try. See, first the parenthesis. Okay, if you see a big division, then do all the numerator simplified, do all the denominator simplified, becomes a fraction. Then deal with the multiplication with 1 by 5.
Somehow I actually got it.
You got it? Whoa, I don't know, Akshat. Can you just hold on? 9, 15, 25, 5. Akshat, did you get it wrong or did I get it wrong? I'm wondering.
Will you explain how I did it?
No, not now. Please redo in the piece of paper and then tell me. Then let's see. Because I think you are in a hurry. Neil, good job. Proud of you. Did you get it?
Yes.
Nice. Kira, good job. Saket, good job. Nice, guys. Rihanj, breaking your head. I can help you if you want to. Can I?
I realized what mistake I did.
See, Akshat, I know you.
I got
Akshat, the only problem I'm seeing is if you review your answers, it will help in an exam. 100% if you review once more all the questions you solved in a different way, it is going to raise your score like anything. Charan, correct. Tanishka, are you going to send me the answer? Where is X? I don't see it, Tanishka. I don't see an X here. Where is the X? Where is the X? Ma? Mom is with you or not?
No.
No, okay. Mom will be mad if she sees your answer. Honestly, because there's no X there, right?
Wait, is my answer correct now?
Yeah, Akshat, you asked, huh? Who asked? I didn't see. Sorry, who asked?
Akshat.
Yeah, correct. Saket, why are you keeping? Oh, yeah, you got it. I'm sorry, Saket. So, are you all clear with expressions a little better?
Yeah.
Is my
Yeah.
answer wrong or
Wait,
correct?
Varnika, Rihanch is, what is he doing?
I'm still solving mine.
Okay, I will wait. A little bit of patience at my end is needed. 3, 10 minus 7 is a 3. Then I copy the plus 6 plus 10 divide by 20 divide by exponent. I'll just write it down. Now 3 times 3 is what? 9. Okay, the parenthesis goes off. Right? 20 divided by 4 is a 5 times 1 by 5. Right? Now 9 plus 6 plus 10 is what? 25 by 5 times 1 by 5. 25 by 5 is a 5. 5 times 1 by 5 is a 1. Rihansh, I'll wait for you to analyze. What is taking you more time? Check.
I had to restart twice because I messed up.
Oh, you messed up. But not to mess up, what you can do, let's check, Rihansh. See, 3 times 3. Write it down. Plus 6 plus 10 divide by 20 divide by 4. Varnika, you also see, ma. After that, 3 times 3 is a 9, 6, 10, 20 divided by 4 is a 5. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Can I move on?
Yes.
This is based off expressions. Okay. Okay. 6.7 maybe. Okay, this one, let's see. How about this? Again, I want to finish this nicely for you guys. Let's see. Expressions is the only topic I'm covering. Okay. We are doing fully with 6.7. Looks like 6.7. There are gaps. How about this? Evaluate it correctly and tell me. You all know prime factorization, guys?
Yeah.
That sounds familiar. Well, yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Okay. You know the difference between equation and expression?
He.
Oh, did you all get the answer, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm seeing, but I don't know if that's the answer. Hold on. What did I give you? CQ bound.
Oh, I made a mistake.
Ah, Akshat, thank you for reviewing. I like that. You reviewing yourself helps a lot. Good
I
job.
made a really small mistake on my thing.
Absolutely okay, but as long as you find it by yourself, I am the happiest, and you should also be the happiest.
Yeah. So let me just correct it.
I was about to check your answer. Good job. Charan, correct, Charan.
I don't
You're a
understand.
good job, ma. Did you get a hang of it?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. Akshat, still incorrect, Akshat. You're
Let's-
missing by a few.
I'll see what I did.
No problem. I can do it on the board for you.
Okay.
Looks like expressions are taking some time on you guys. Okay. See, this is 3 cube plus the square brackets. These are called square brackets. I need to finish them first. But what is this? What is this number? 2 by 5, 10. This is 12 by 5 fraction. So I will rewrite it. 6 times 2. 2 times 12 by 5. Okay. Minus 15.4. What is this? 12 twos are 24 by 5. 6 minus 24 by 5. Fraction should be in your fingertips. Rihans, that's correct. 3 cube is 27. Now, how will you do the subtraction of fraction? 30 minus 24, 6 by 5. So 27 plus 6 by 5 minus 15.4. 6 by 5 is 1.2 minus 15.4. 27 plus 28.2 minus 15.4. So that will be 8. 28.2 minus 15.4 is 8. 12.8. Oh, that's okay. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
But the class flew by, I feel. What do you all think? I wish the class had not
I
gone.
mean,
The class done?
Yeah, but I want to do at least one more. Looks like it, right? See, it's already 1 hour, but it went on like just like that. For me, I don't know about you guys. I'm just saying.
Yeah, it felt like that for me too.
Yeah, that's what I felt. What is it? What was that, ma?
Probably because you were reviewing all the
All the expressions.
Yeah, that's
Fast,
why.
fast. Yeah, I feel so too. How about this? Anyway, you know what? But to be very honest with you, we covered. What did we cover? We covered a good chunk actually. You know what? What is that? 6.7 A, B, C, D we covered, which I'm happy about.
Oh, great.
Sharon has an answer already.
That's my answer, correct?
Anjo, I don't know, guys. I want to wait. Better review. I'm going to wait for everybody's answer. I feel sad, Anna. None of the answers I got are right. Or am I making a mistake? I get that question, at some point. Maybe you guys are right, huh? No, I'm right. Good job, Yana. Good job, Saket.
Can I explain like when everybody's done?
1 minute, Amma. You can definitely explain. Wait, that's correct. I'm really waiting on a couple of people's answer. They're not answering. Neil, what
I
Neil?
accidentally did the minus sign.
Oh, okay, but that is incorrect. Rihan's, that's incorrect. Okay. Guys, what is, see, there is an absolute value means, what does it mean?
Oh.
Absolute value means you should, even if it is a negative number inside, only the positive value you have to take it out. Absolute value means that absolute value of -5 is a 5. Absolute value of 5 is 5. This absolute value means distance from origin. Distance from origin for -5 is 5 units. Distance from origin for 5, positive 5 is as well 5. So, whenever you have absolute value, the output becomes a positive number, right? 75 minus 3 cube times 3. What is 3 cube times 3? 81. Minus 3 cube is what? 27. 27 times 3. PEMDAS, right? 81. 75 minus 81 is a -6. Any questions?
Okay, so I thought that was a bracket, so I did it as a bracket, as that's the one that goes first.
Me too. I did
You thought this was a bracket?
Yeah.
But there is no bracket
Yeah,
there.
I also thought that was a bracket.
There's a straight line.
Yeah, I think I should have saw that.
Yeah,
must
because
have
see,
thought
this
that.
plays a major part in your CBE. You got
I
it?
must
Yeah, go ahead.
I must have the exponent.
What did you make a mistake on, Rihansh?
The exponent.
Oh,
I
what did you do?
3 squared, not 3 cubed.
Oh my gosh. You need to be very careful. Okay. I see. Suppose if you are given the expression j square minus k plus L. Okay. Okay. Suppose j is a -2, k is a minus 3. L is a 5. What is the value of this expression? That's the last question. If you answer it, you can log off.
Do we have to wait for you to like check the answer or just log off?
What, ma'am?
The second we send our answer, do we just log off for?
Yeah. Get that answer and then you can log off.
Is my answer correct?
That Taran, you can log off.
Is my answer correct?
Hey, yo, Yana, I'm sorry, ma. You wanted to explain something, right, Yana? I didn't give you the turn, right? I'm sorry.
It's fine.
You want to do this, you do. I'll wait for your answer, but your answer doesn't seem right here.
Is my answer correct?
Wait, is mine correct or not?
No, none of your answer is right.
Auntie, is my answer correct?
See, are you patiently writing every step? No, nobody's is correct. Can you
Wait, I
please
know it's
redo
minus
writing every step? J square. You're going to write it out there. Minus 2 times minus 2, like that. Can you please plug in every step, write down every step and come up with the answer? Like, I feel like you guys know this one. At least 4 or 5 of you here should come up with the correct answer.
Mine correct?
No, otherwise I would have told you. Varnika, no.
Did I get it correct?
No. I don't know how you are getting that minus 2. Everybody is a minus 2 or a plus 2.
Is my answer correct?
Is mine?
Rehansh, I know what mistake you did, Rehansh. I clearly know.
I think I reset my.
எடுத்து பாரு அது யாருன்னு சொல்லு அம்மா கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கான்னு சொல்லு. Guys, I'm going to do this.
Is my answer correct or did I get it wrong?
Illamma, that's not correct.
Okay.
No problem. Let's see. J square is what? What is J square?
Negative 2 times negative 2.
What is it?
Oh, negative 2 square.
What is it?
4.
4 minus. What is K value? Minus 3. I asked you to write every step. Plus. What is L value? 5. When there are two operations nearby, what would happen? Minus and a minus.
Becomes
What would happen? Huh?
becomes a plus.
4 plus 3 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is at 12.
I did negative 4.
Huh?
For the 4, I thought it was negative times 2.
I
got- because I didn't add the.
4, Emma.
Yeah. So I thought it was.
And then here, see, this is so deceptive. There is a minus here. And after that, you have a minus 3. So they become a plus 3.
But you didn't write the minus sign in the 4 though.
What, ma?
But you did not write a minus sign like before the 4.
You won't get a minus sign before the 4. Minus 2 times minus 2 is a plus 4. So this becomes a plus 4. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop here, guys. I'll let you go.
Okay.
Make sense? That was good?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Good. I'll post questions on expressions. Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.